1890, a pharmacist and chemist named John J. McLoughlin opened a small plant in Toronto, Canada, to manufacture soda water. But McLoughlin was thirsty for a better product. In 1904, after conducting hundreds of experiments, he struck gold with a perfect formula for a drink he liked to call Canada Dry Pale Ginger Ale. But Canada alone just wasn't big enough for this new concoction, and in 1919, McLoughlin began shipping his ginger ale to New York City. It wasn't long before the Big Apple was big on Canada Dry, and 2 years later the first Canada Dry plant in the United States opened in Manhattan. Consumer demands soon outgrew the production capacity of the Manhattan plant, and Canada Dry became a program of national expansion. During this time, folks were introduced to a now legendary Canada Dry advertising campaign, known by the saying, "Down from Canada came tales of a wonderful beverage." In 1936, a license was awarded to a bottler in Lima, Peru, to manufacture and sell Canada Dry in South America. 2 short years later, Canada Dry had plants in 14 countries, including as far away as New Zealand. Today, Canada Dry continues under the ownership of Plano, Texas-based Dr. Pepper 7-Up Incorporated, the largest non-cola soft drink enterprise in North America, and the largest subsidiary of Cadbury Schweppes Incorporated.
Yeah, I've seen it. It's all over the internet.
If ever you